Came in with this faded teal blonde situation going on. Cute but very much giving it's time for a change. And when I tell you the color she left with had me shook. Stay with me because this hair color transformation went from way further than any of us expected. Let's get into it. Okay, we got the honey blonde. We had the pink. Ooh, hot pink, yes ma'am. Ooh, look how pretty her hair is. Yes, natural hair. Okay. Ooh, her hair's thick. Hot pink. So the honey blonde. Okay, she want to do like this teal green. So I got like the purple underneath. Where in the world? Wow. That's amazing. Okay, stuck beside your shade of purple for 2 years. It's like a lavender color. Ooh. Okay. Okay, she got her dark. Aww. I love the bob and the purple. I like that it's dark. It's not loud. Honey blonde, of course. Let me see what color it's gonna turn into. Okay. Ooh, look how pretty her hair look. Ooh, that's pretty. It's like a honey blonde and a copper look mixed together. That's pretty. And she redid her roots. Okay. Pink. Again. Everybody love pink. Okay. That's pretty. I like that. That's pretty. I like it. Okay. Hair trimmed and nice. So let's see what color her hair is going to turn out to. Okay, she did it as a honey blonde. Oh, different colors. Green, blue, pink. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Oh, look at her hair. Look at that platinum blonde. Oh my gosh, I see that. It's a nice rose pink color. Yes, ma'am. That look good on you. Pretty. Yes, yes. So they're showing the process of it now, how he applied it. Ooh, I can never do that with the comb. Yeah, he doing the makeup too. Yes. Yes. That looks good on her. And let's see her transition. So I just have like that balayage dark brownish color. Oh, her hair looks so pretty. I love the burgundy color on her. It's like a plum and burgundy. He was just kidding, not gonna cut it. That looks really good. It brings out her skin tone out more. Yes, yes, yes. I love the highlights. I love the transition. It looks nice. Before and after, I love it. Look amazing. Yes. Wow. How to color blend. Okay, so the color blend, they're just doing a ponytail. Wow, that take a lot too. You got to really know what you're doing with that too. Wow. Okay. It's just a lot going on, but okay, we got it. We got it. It's a lot going on, but we got it. It's my favorite color, L'Oreal. You don't have to use no bleach, just developer and color. Aww. I said her ends need to be clipped. Oh, yes ma'am. Beautiful. I love that. That looks good. Okay, she cutting her hair. Let's see what else she's gonna do. Gonna dye her roots. Mixing the colors. Okay. You gotta be really good at what you do. That's like teasing and applying the color. It's no bleach. Okay. I love the ends. I love the wow. Yes. Yes, yes, and yes. I love that transition. Feeling blue. Hair transformation, guys. Color wax. Ooh, look how pretty her hair is. She wants blonde, but she's not gonna be able to get blonde because her hair green. Let's see what her hair is going to be. Oh, yes ma'am. Yes, yes, I love the volume. I love the colors. Giving like the purplish, magenta. I don't know, but I love that color. That's so pretty. I love it. I love it. I love it. Clock that T. Okay, let's see how her hair is going to look. Okay. Right. Oh wow, the balayage. Yes ma'am. Beautiful. Yes, yes, yes. I love it. Ooh, look at all that hair. Wow. The transition. Pretty. And that's how you turn faded hair into a full-on moment. Let me know in the comments, would you try this color? If you enjoyed this transformation, make sure you like, share, subscribe, stick around, and hype this video. We do real life beauty, real reactions, and real results over here. See you guys in the next one. Ciao.